Self-service UV book sterilizers are available in the 2 campus libraries for users to sterilize their books. It is simple to use the self-service UV book sterilizer, taking approximately 40 seconds. After opening the door, place the books vertically and form a V shape with another book. Up to 6 books can be sterilized each time. Then close the door and press the button to start the sterilization process, which takes approximately 40 seconds. The LED screen shows the remaining time needed for sterilization. When the process is finished, you can take out the sterilized books and close the door. If you have any questions, please feel free to go to the help station or service counter for assistance.